Here is the code for the flashcard quiz program. Start with an output, simply a welcome screen in through here, so there's not a need to go over that. And there's the pause. That means we're about to start the program. Clear home, and then set 0 equal to C, 0 equal to W, and 0 equal to L. Now 0 is going to be your counter. C is going to be your counter. W is the number of wins, and L is the number of losses. And you have to run the program 10 times, so that's what this loop is for. So he's generated a random integer twice, assigning it to G and then another one to H. And it's from 1,000 to 9,999, which were the parameters set up for you. And then he's going to output those items there. He's going to output the first number, the second number, and put a plus sign in between them. And then output answer. That means you need to input an answer. And this is where the counter goes up by 1 for the program. It counts it to see how many times you've gone through. And then prompt A lets you enter in an answer. So if A equals G plus H, then you have the right answer, and you have to set your counter for the wins to go up by 1. And then output congratulations, and then output the correct answer, which in this case it is very smart to put G plus H instead of assigning it to a variable. If you assign it to a variable, then you're taking up more memory space. So that's a good move there. And also is correct, and then pause it. And then clear home and end it. But if A is not equal to G plus H, and here's another smart move. If you put less than and then greater than on 2 different loops, you're taking up a lot of memory. So he saved both of those and just done not equal to. So if A is not the right answer, then the number of losses goes up by 1. And he'll output incorrect. And the answer was G plus H. And then try again. Pause and clear home. And then end it. Once it's gone through those loops, then it's going to display the number of wins and the number of losses. That's what this is here. This is the end of the 10 loop. And then it's going to output the number of wins, number of losses, and then output C for the number of tries, and then pause. And of course you have to hit pause to end the program. That's a smart move too, because if you end it already, the cursor might overlap something that you've outputted. So you just pause it, then the user will know when they don't see a cursor blinking that that's what you were supposed to do, was to press it to get it to go to something else.